Modern engineers with billion-dollar equipment can't replicate 5,000-year-old Egyptian vases. How is this possible? In ancient Egyptian tombs, archaeologists found thousands of stone vases carved from solid granite and diorite.
These vases were created around 3000 BC, even before the Great Pyramids were built.
Granite ranks 7 on the Mohs hardness scale, harder than steel. You need diamond-tipped tools to cut it.
The walls of these vases are only 2 to 3 millimeters thick, thinner than a credit card, with perfect symmetry.
Here's the mystery. The insides have complex curves and narrow openings, impossible to carve with any known ancient tools. Ancient Egyptians only had copper tools and stone hammers. Neither can cut granite. So how did they do it? Modern engineers, using CNC machines and diamond drills, need 12 hours just to make one simple vase. Yet ancient Egyptians produced over 10,000 of these vases, suggesting they had a faster, unknown method.
Some vases have handles so delicate and curved, they seem to defy physics, carved from one solid piece.
When measured with modern instruments, the symmetry is accurate to within 1/100th of a millimeter. The surface finish is so smooth, it rivals modern machine polishing, achieved without modern abrasives. Some researchers believe the Egyptians had advanced technology that was lost to history.
Others argue it was simply master craftsmen with decades of practice and secret techniques passed down.
A controversial theory suggests they used ultrasonic drilling, high-frequency vibrations to break down the stone. In 2019, master stone carvers attempted to replicate one vase. After months of work, they couldn't match the original. Over 10,000 of these impossible vases have been found across Egypt, and this wasn't a one-time achievement. The real question isn't just how they made them, but why we've completely lost the ability to recreate them.
These vases prove that ancient civilizations possessed knowledge and skills we still don't fully understand today.
What do YAU think? Lost technology or master craftsmanship? Comment below and subscribe to Great Historians for